Hey there guys, Rip It All, Danny here with this next episode. In this episode we're opening up a Galarian moltres tin, and it's my second Crown Zenith opening, so let's see what we pull. There has to be something good in here because this is my second opening. So don't got too many of Crown Zenith collection yet, so let's break into this and see what we get. And I know I've been behind on a lot of cards, a lot of sets, a couple sets. I'm trying to catch up. Just been really super busy. So here we go. Man, these promo cards that they put in the tins are amazing. Just that color and that texture. It's hard to believe that these are promo cards. Alrighty, here's the code card for that moltres. Alright, let me sleeve this up. Alright, there we go. Whoop, does not want to go in the tin, in the sleeve. There we go. Alrighty, and these tins come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 booster packs. So we'll put this right here and let's break into this. And guys, before I get started, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, hit that notification bell so you get notifications when my videos go live. I'd highly appreciate it. And if you guys are new, thank you for coming and joining in on my videos and having fun with me opening up Pokemon cards. Alright, so let's get this. Let's try to see if we can pull something good. Crown Zenith, what a set. So many beautiful cards in here, so many alternate arts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy, Pincurchin, Rare Candy, Bisharp, Purloin, Grubbin, Skrelp, Helioptile. Oh, I think. Oh, Poochyena. That Poochyena is pretty adorable. That Poochyena is so adorable. Let's see if it focuses in. My camera does not want to focus in. There we go. Look at that. So adorable. Oh man. All right. That's such a cool card. Sleeves. I'm having trouble with sleeves again. There we go. Let me get me some penny sleeves or something better than the ones that I have. Alright. I just have so many sleeves I don't want to waste them. Alright. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy, Gloom, Ultra Ball, Crushing Hammer, Grubbin, Skrelp, Wooloo, Helioptile, Pancham, Reverse Hollow Oddish going into a Zera Aura for a rare. Alright, next pack. Alright. Energy, code card, sorry. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop. Energy, Digging Duo, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing. Oh, almost ruined it. Bidoof, slammed it. Reverse Hollow Ditto going into a double for the rare. Alright, let's do this. Let's pull something amazing. Some gold. Let's pull some gold in this video. Code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Lost Vacuum, Larion, Frenzen Shino, Sunkern, Coughing, Oddish, Let's land it. Energy search. Reverse hollow Kricketot going into a Blossom. Blossom. Alright, last pack. See if we can pull some last pack magic. Alright. Let's see. Alright, code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the V-Star card. Alright, V-Star. Soul Rock. Trekking Shoes. Matang. Chatot. Yanma. Ponyard. Oh, pulled something. Kricketot. Shinx. Oh, Diancie. Diancie and a Bay with that signature right there. This is, wow. These cards just can't stop amazing me. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Diancie. So that was the last pack magic. Last pack magic on that one. Alright. Let's leave up this signature Bay trainer card. Put that one up here with the holos, with the ultra rares. Alrighty, recap. Bay, B, sorry, I kept saying Bay, B, Diancie, card of the day, the Poochyena, the adorable Poochyena, the galarian moltres. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I like that. That Poochyena is my favorite, but Diancie takes it for the day. Alrighty guys, that was my video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys are new, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Check out those videos at the bottom and on the side, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.